Dear viewers, I have appeared in front of you again. Today I will present an instructional video. My topic today is about Elementor Page Builder. Watch this video carefully and you will benefit even a little bit. Elementor is a web creation platform. Uh, Elementor is a free page builder. Elementor offers a free plan as well as multiple paid subscription plans. The free version comes with all the features you need to create a strong user experience on your site, including a drag and drop editor, 40 plus basic widgets, and 30 plus templates. Elementor is a visual WordPress website builder that replaces the basic WordPress editor with a live front-end editor. So you can create complex layouts visually and design your website live without having to switch between the editor and the preview mode. Elementor is a popular WordPress website and web page builder plugin that brings its own tools to the WordPress world. Perhaps the easiest way to look at it is that WordPress provides a building framework while it's Elementor that lets you build the beautiful mansion resting on this infrastructure. Using Elementor can help you improve your technical and on-page SEO. Integration with popular SEO plugins such as Yoast SEO and Rank Math. You can optimize your website SEO without even having to leave the Elementor editor. You can visually design your header, footer, archive page, single post, and all other parts of your site using Elementor. This works on any WordPress theme and requires no coding. The reason being it's so insanely easy to use and create any type of WordPress website. That makes Elementor perfect for users of all levels, including total beginners and complete design gurus. Creating a website using Elementor is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Using the drag and drop feature, simply add a widget or element of your choice, customize it the way you want, and publish the page. It's as simple as it gets. You need not know how to code or have any programming knowledge. Elementor is a powerful plugin, but it can be difficult to learn if you don't have any experience with web development. If you are not familiar with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, you may find it difficult to use Elementor. If you are building a custom content site that uses custom fields to store additional data, Elementor Pro is absolutely worth it for the dynamic content feature alone. With this feature, you can easily incorporate all of your custom data into your designs without needing to write a single line of code. As you can see, both the new WordPress block editor and Elementor have their advantages and disadvantages. Elementor is a bit more flexible and powerful, but the block editors is easier to use and offers less noise. Editor one can be a great option for your WordPress website. If you are looking for a cost-effective and easy-to-use solution for a small website or project, Elementor may be a good option. It offers a range of pre-designed templates and widgets, and its drag and drop interface makes it easy to create and customize a website without needing any coding skill. You can visually design your header, footer, archive page, single post, and all other parts of your site using Elementor. These work on any WordPress theme and requires no coding. Elementor might be slow due to version reasons. High resolution images, complex designs, or excessive animations can contribute to slower loading times. Additionally, using too many plugins, inadequate hosting, or outdated versions of Elementor could affect its performance. Elementor offers impressive features and tools to help designers create beautiful and professional websites. By following the web design tips for beginners, you can create eye-catching uniform design, navigate web pages more easily, streamline your workflow, and realize Elementor's full potential in your projects. Web designers typically use design editing software such as Photoshop, a CMS like WordPress, and a website builder such as Elementor, along with wireframing and prototyping tools. As an Elementor designer, you can work as a freelancer and assist small businesses with the development of their websites. You can also sell Elementor templates on Etsy, Shopify, your website, or other platforms. Elementor provides advanced customization flexibility and integration options. It's a go-to choice for designers, developers, and those who want more control over their WordPress websites. On the other hand, Wix has a user-friendly interface, hosting, and integrated features. The core Elementor plugins is 100% free and available at wordpress.org. If you want to add more advanced features and capabilities, You can extend the free core plugin by purchasing Elementor Pro, which starts at just $49 for use on a single site. If there is any mistake in my video, please comment. Your valuable comments will motivate me to make new videos. Thank you for watching.